Good morning children, welcome to our English class. We are doing lesson 2, Pandora and the Hope Fairy. Today we are going to do the vocabulary. Look at these pictures children. The first picture is a desert and second picture is also desert. Now what is this first picture? It's a dry land with no water in it and very less vegetation or plants grow in this place. And the second desert is a sweet. So both are deserts but they are different in meaning and the spelling also differs. So we have a list of such confusing words over here children. Especially, specially. So especially is particularly. Specially is for some reason or purpose. Farther, that is about distance, that is farther away, a distant away. Further, about the degree, that is next level. Older, comparing ages of people. Elder, comparing ages of family members. If you have to compare someone in your family with the age, you call them as elder. Altogether, completely or totally, that is altogether. All together, that is all in a place, that is all together. Beside, next to. Besides, in addition to. So if you look at these words children, the pair of words, they look similar with some spelling differences and they sound almost similar. Especially, specially, farther, further, older, elder, altogether, all together, beside, besides. So such words are confusing words and they are called as confused words. We often have in English a lot of words which we are confused with. There is a list of confused words children in your textbook given lesson number 2 vocabulary. Let us look at them. All together, with each other. All together, in total. If you look at these two words, all, A-L-L, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, two separate words which means with each other. And next one, A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, all together, that is total number of something. All together, all together. Quiet, making very little noise. So in the class you often hear this statement from your teacher, be quiet, that is Q-U-I-E-T, make less noise or don't make any noise. Quite, Q-U-I-T-E, to the greatest degree. Quite impressive, you are quite impressive, that is to some degree, to some praisable level. Than, used to compare, T-H-A-N, than, he is taller than other person. Than, T-H-E-N, then, that is at that time or next. If you study hard, then you will get good marks. This is then, T-H-E-N, then. Emit, E-M-I-T, to give off something. So it emits smoke, that is it gives out smoke. Omit, O-M-I-T, to leave something out. The children omit the bit as they could not understand it, that is leaving that bit. Lose, L-O-S-E, to no longer have something. So something when you lose, that is called as L-O-S-E, lose. L-O-O-S-E, lose, not held tightly. She did not hold the pen tightly, so it slipped off her hand. It was loose, that is L-O-O-S-E. Did you understand children? So all together, quiet, quite, than, then, emit, omit, lose, lose. So these are few words we find in English which are often confusing. There are many more words such as these, but we are dealing with only these for the exercises to be done. Now here are the sentences framed with the confusing words we have learnt just now children. All together. The students were happy when the teacher put them all together in a group. All together. If we don't say forest, they may disappear altogether. The first sentence all together is they were all together. Second sentence, all together is totally. The forest will totally disappear if we don't save them. The next one, quiet. The children were quiet when the teacher was explaining the lesson. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. That means they did not make any noise. Quiet. The school was quite near the supermarket. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. That is the level or degree, very close to the supermarket. Than. Rahul is taller than Rehan. T-H-A-N, than. That is comparison. Then. We finished our work and then went for a walk. T-H-E-N, then. That is next. First we finished our work and next we went for a walk. That is then. Emit. Meteors often emit blue light. E-M-I-T, emit. Here emit means give out. So they give out blue light. Omit. Students can omit question 12 if they do not understand it. O-M-I-T, omit. That is to leave that. Lose. If we lose the next game, we will be out of the tournament. L-O-S-E, lose. That means not able to get over it or fail in something. That is L-O-S-E, lose. Loose. Tom has a loose tooth. L-O-O-S-E. That means which is not firm, which is not tight. So his tooth is very loose. Did you understand the sentences made with these confusing words, children? This is the exercise in page number 14 of your textbook. Based on the vocabulary we have done with confused words. Complete the sentences with the correct words from the table. The table we have already discussed previously. I find history more interesting than geography. T-H-A-N. The teacher wants all of you to put your books all together in one pile. We need to practice really hard or else we will lose to the opposite team. L-O-S-E. First, he cooked his lunch and then washed his clothes. T-H-E-N, then. There are altogether 2,500 tigers in India. Altogether. A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. This car emits a lot of smoke. E-M-I-T-S. If you don't stitch the loose button, it will fall off. L-O-O-S-E, lose. When night falls, the birds stop singing and become very quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. The dress that she bought is quite different from the one she wore last time. Q-U-I-T-E, quite. Please do not omit any details when you fill the form. O-M-I-T, omit. Did you understand, children? You have to fill in the textbook as I have filled them with a pen.